And the book I read recently just focuses on the problem of how you deal with interracial marriage. Well, everything they tried failed. And so the final solution, you've heard that term before, the final solution was the only thing we can do is kill them all. And that's what they decided they had to do, because otherwise they would end up with Germans interbreeding with Jews and other groups, and as a result we would result in a degeneration of the Germanic race, which was the superior race, and as a result we would end up with an inferior group of people. Well, today we know that his ideas were totally foolish, and we know that he was wrong, and I'll just give you one quick example. He felt, and there's a slide in here about that too, but he felt that a superior race had blue eyes. So if you have blue eyes, then you might get a few points to stay out of the camps. But now we know blue eyes is and some of you maybe know this, blue eyes is a result of a mutation. I have blue eyes. I am a mutant. I have damage to my eyes. The eye color of the iris is bluish. There's a blue tint to it. It actually has less than that, but what happens is that the color brown is coated on the blue. And so everybody with blue eyes has brown eyes if they develop this pigment, which is a result of genetics. You follow that? And they've traced now, and I don't remember how far back it goes, but they've traced all of us who have blue eyes are related to the first mutant. They call that the founder effect. So the founder had that mutation, and as a result, all of us are a descendant from that person. So blue eyes, if you have a child, maybe you notice when they were born, they have blue eyes and they get darker. How many notice that in your kids? Well, that's because it takes a while for the pigment to cover the iris. Why is that important? Because the iris lets in light. And people with blue eyes, especially really light blue eyes, which fortunately I don't have, but light blue eyes have a hard time in light. And therefore, that really affected my personality, because I remember when I played baseball, and it was during daytime, I could never see the ball. I was blinded by the light. If it was bright outside, I couldn't see the ball. And so invariably, Bergman was the last guy picked for the team. And they knew when Bergman's on the team, we're going to lose. Well, I had no idea why. People said, "Can't you see that ball?" An idiot, are you blind? And I said, well, I don't know. But actually, I couldn't see the ball because I was blinded by the light. And so I naturally preferred to stay inside and read books. And so that's why I have so many degrees, because I learned to read books and do academic work